Concept learning. Consider the example of a dog. Our concept of a dog is built out of features such as furry, it barks, it is four-legged, can be domesticated, it is friendly and loyal. The human concept learning, it clearly depends upon the descriptions we give to the objects we categorize. We all know that human nervous system is capable of handling endless information. In order to organize these informations, the brain has developed a file cabinet kind of thing in the mind. These different files stored in the file cabinet are known as concepts. So before going to the details, please remember to subscribe this channel. Please do watch other videos in this channel and share it with students and those who love learning psychology. Thank you. So what are concepts? Concept learning is a mental grouping of similar things, events and people that is used to remember and understand what things are, what they mean and what categories or groups they belong to. The term concept learning, it is originated in psychology and it refers to the human ability to learn categories for object and to recognize new instances of those categories. For example, if I say, think about a car. The concept car will evoke some ideas in your mind about what a car is and what type of characteristics it contains, etc. Maybe the color of the car, the type of the car, various things will come into your mind. So a concept is a verbal or written understanding of abstract thought. Abstract thoughts are ideas and things that are intangible, that is, we cannot touch. But a concept, it helps us to explain an idea within a specific field of study. A concept in the field of psychology, it helps to explain the ideas in psychology. Concepts are categories or groupings of information, images, ideas or memories. So the concepts are in many ways ideas that are generated by observing the details and categorizing and combining these details into cognitive structures. Categories of concept. In psychology, concept can be divided into two categories: natural concept and artificial concept. Natural concepts are created naturally through our experiences and can be developed from either direct or indirect experiences. For example, our concept of snow. It is a natural concept, one that we understand through direct observation and experience. If you are living or you have visited Kashmir or Himachal Pradesh during the winter season, then you have experienced the snowfall. You have seen the lightly falling of the snow. You might have thrown snowballs at your friends, etc. So in short, you know what is snow. You know how it look like, how it smell like, the taste, how it feels, etc. But in case if you are living your life, the whole of your life in other parts of India, then you may never have actually seen the snow. You might not have smelled it, touched it or tasted it. But you know snow from the indirect experience of seeing the pictures of the falling snow or from watching movies that features snow. Either way, snow is a natural concept because you can construct an understanding of it through direct observations or experiences of snow, or you can learn it by indirect experience like seeing the pictures or in movies. So it is a natural concept. Now let's see what is an artificial concept. It is a concept that is defined by specific set of characteristics, various properties of geometric shapes. For example, squares, triangles are artificial concepts. A triangle always has 3 angles and 3 sides. In case of square, it always has 4 equal sides and 4 right angles. And the mathematical formulas, like the equation for area, they are artificial concepts. They are defined by specific set of characteristics that are always the same. The artificial concept can enhance the understanding of a topic by building on one another. For example, before learning the concept of area of a square and a formula to find it, you must understand what a square is. Once the concept of square is understood, then the area of the square can be understood easily. And an understanding of area for other geometric shapes can be built upon the original understanding of area. The use of artificial concept to define an idea is important in communicating with others and engaging in complex thought. The concept acts as building blocks and can be connected in countless combinations to create complex thoughts. Conjunctive concept. The concept with multiple features, and all of the features must be present in every case. Then it is known as conjunctive concept. A concept that is defined by set of attributes and every attribute must be present for the concept to apply. For example, the concept of brother. It requires the joint presence of 2 attributes. The person should be male and should be your sibling. Then only the concept brother is fulfilled. Any of the attribute is not omitted. Both the attributes should be present together. The other example is mother. The person should be female and should be your parent. Then only the concept mother is fulfilled. So that is the conjunctive concept. So several features or attributes should come together. What is a concept and a prototype? Concept, we know that natural and artificial concepts are there, and abstract and concrete concepts are also there. For example, the complex and abstract concepts like justice, then the concrete concepts like bird, etc. are there. In psychology, for example, the Piaget's theory of development are abstract concepts. Then the concept of non-violence are abstract concepts. Some concepts like tolerance are agreed upon by many people because they have been used in various ways over many years. Then other concepts like the characteristics of your ideal friend or your family's birthday traditions, they all are personal and individualized concepts. In this way, concepts touch every aspect of our life, from our many daily routines to the guiding principles behind the way government functions. So, abstract and concrete concepts are there. Another word come along with concept is prototype. Prototype is used for something original, an original form of something that serves as a standard. Prototype in psychology refers to what is perceived to be a complete image of something with all the expected qualities and characteristics present. A prototype is the best example or representation of a concept. Natural concepts are often learned through the use of prototypes. They are the highly typical examples of a category. So the prototypes are the highly typical examples. For example, a pigeon would be a prototypical or a good example of the concept bird. We said that bird is a concrete concept. So it creates image in our mind. So that is why it is a concrete concept, and a pigeon is a good example, or it is a prototype of the concept bird. But a penguin lacks the important defining feature of this category, flight. And penguin is not a strong example or a prototype of bird. So that is a prototype, a good example of the concept. In this video, we have learned what is a concept, what is concept learning, then the importance of concept in psychology, various types of concept like natural concept, artificial concept, then conjunctive concept, then abstract and concrete concept, and prototype. The concept and their corresponding prototypes, they help us quickly organize our thinking by creating categories into which we can store new information. So hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you and keep smiling.